It started with a strange anomaly detected by a European satellite in February 2025. Deep beneath the thick ice of Antarctica, near the Ellsworth mountain range, sensors picked up an enormous geometric structure unlike anything naturally formed. The data revealed sharp edges, perfectly straight lines, and a precise triangular formation almost 2 kilometers wide, buried under more than 4,000 feet of solid ice. At first, scientists believed it to be an error, perhaps ice layers or shadow illusions, until further radar scans confirmed the impossible, a pyramid-shaped object symmetrical in all dimensions lying frozen in one of the most remote places on Earth. Soon after, a joint international research team quietly set up camp near the site. Officially, they were there for climate studies, but leaked reports told a different story. According to internal memos, drilling equipment had been flown in from Chile, along with thermal imaging sensors and classified deep-core excavation machinery never used in civilian research. Within days, whispers spread through online forums and alternative science circles. Had humanity just discovered an ancient pyramid beneath Antarctica? Drone footage leaked by an anonymous engineer showed something incredible, a faint outline of a colossal triangular structure emerging through the melting ice, its sides aligned almost perfectly with Earth's cardinal directions, just like the Great Pyramid of Giza. What shocked experts even more was that the coordinates matched one of the oldest known magnetic anomalies ever recorded in Antarctica, a magnetic distortion that had puzzled scientists since the 1950s. As word spread, the mainstream media largely ignored the discovery, but satellite enthusiasts continued tracking changes. They noticed that over several nights, strange heat signatures appeared over the area, like something beneath the ice was generating warmth, pulsing at regular intervals. When the research team drilled into the surface, they reported hearing deep metallic echoes, as though the drill bit had struck something hollow. Soon after, their live communications were cut off. For 72 hours, no one heard from them. Then, on the 4th day, a short encrypted transmission was sent to the logistics station. "We found the entrance." The message contained coordinates but no further details. Hours later, the station received an emergency shutdown order from a higher authority, citing severe weather instability. The team was evacuated under the cover of an unexpected blizzard. Yet when satellite imagery resumed, viewers noticed a rectangular excavation site large enough to fit an aircraft hangar, and a dark tunnel leading straight into the ice. Speculation exploded. Some claimed the pyramid was evidence of an ancient civilization that once thrived before Antarctica froze, proof that the continent wasn't always the icy wasteland we know. Others believed it was something older, perhaps remnants of a lost alien structure hidden intentionally beneath the ice. Historical records revealed that even Nazi expeditions during World War II were obsessed with Antarctica's secrets. Declassified German documents mentioned Operation Neuschwabenland, describing vast underground caverns and ancient technologies buried beneath the eternal ice. Many dismissed it as myth until now. As more leaks surfaced, a whistleblower from the 2025 Antarctic Research Project came forward, revealing photographs showing smooth metallic surfaces covered in strange markings, not Egyptian hieroglyphs, but angular inscriptions resembling both runes and circuit diagrams. He claimed the walls emitted a faint electromagnetic field, and that when touched, they vibrated subtly, as if responding to human presence. Shortly after his revelation, his social media accounts vanished, and his location became unknown. Weeks later, seismic sensors in Antarctica registered unusual underground tremors near the pyramid site, rhythmic, deliberate, and originating from deep below. Then satellite images showed a faint circular energy distortion above the region, lasting approximately 6 minutes before dissipating. NASA attributed it to atmospheric reflection anomalies, but independent analysts found that the event coincided exactly with the activation of certain classified radar arrays in the area. The coincidence was too perfect. As theories multiplied, some researchers suggested that what lay beneath Antarctica could predate all recorded human civilization, perhaps remnants of a technologically advanced culture lost to time, one capable of manipulating magnetic and gravitational fields. Geological analysis supported the possibility that Antarctica was once ice-free tens of thousands of years ago, home to lush forests and ancient life. Could a civilization have existed there before the poles shifted and the continent froze? Ancient maps like the Piri Reis map of 1513 seem to show Antarctica without ice, accurately drawn centuries before its official discovery. How could that be possible unless someone had seen it in its original form? Then, a private satellite captured something extraordinary. During a rare solar flare, brief light reflections illuminated a section of the structure beneath the ice, a visible metallic sheen arranged in triangular panels, not stone, metal, and not corroded by time. Metallurgists who reviewed the image suggested the material was unlike any known Earth alloy. Soon after, independent researchers attempting to reach the coordinates were blocked by military patrols claiming environmental hazard. Reports circulated of unidentified aircraft flying over the site at night, emitting no lights, with triangular silhouettes eerily similar to the shape beneath the ice. Conspiracy theorists connected the dots, suggesting the pyramid wasn't a tomb or temple, but a vessel, an ancient craft buried intentionally, dormant for millennia. In July 2025, an anonymous email was sent to several news outlets containing a short video clip allegedly taken from inside the pyramid. It showed a vast corridor lined with smooth walls glowing faintly blue, symbols carved in repeating spirals, and a central chamber containing a massive spherical object floating silently above the ground. The video was quickly removed, labeled fabricated, but experts who analyzed individual frames confirmed the lighting and perspective matched the subterranean layout described in geological surveys. Then, unexpectedly, electromagnetic sensors across Antarctica picked up an enormous pulse, a wave of energy spreading outward from the Pyramid AS location, lasting less than a second, but powerful enough to disrupt communications across several research bases. A week later, compasses across parts of the southern hemisphere briefly shifted by 2 degrees, as if something massive had affected the planet's magnetic field. After that, the area was declared off-limits by all major governments, sealed under environmental protection. Yet satellite footage still shows lights under the ice, rhythmic, pulsing, and intelligent. Whether it's an ancient power source, a forgotten civilization, or something far beyond our comprehension, no one can say. But one thing is clear: Antarctica, the coldest and most remote place on Earth, may be guarding the oldest secret of all, that humanity as history is not what we think it is, and that beneath the frozen silence, something ancient is still waiting to be found, or perhaps waiting to awaken.